When you search for car vent phone holders, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Miracase Magnetic Holder. First up is the Miracase car phone holder for MagSafe, priced at $17.99. This one really caught my attention with its strong magnetic stability and a bestseller badge. If you want a reliable holder that keeps your device secure while driving, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it's scratch-resistant and compatible with nearly all smartphones and cases. You can easily adjust it 360 degrees for the best viewing angle, which is especially helpful for navigation. Now, some people complained about the magnet not working well with thick phone covers. Here's the thing though, if you have a MagSafe case or use the included metal ring, you won't face this issue. So it's a minor concern for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a phone holder that can handle a bumpy ride without dropping your phone. Skip this one if you have a really thick case that isn't MagSafe compatible. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 2, Keistel MagSafe Mount. Next, we have the Keistel for MagSafe Car Mount, which is a steal at just $9.99. It's designed specifically for MagSafe cases and works without any metal plates. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, you should check this out. What's cool about this holder is its strong 3M adhesive that keeps it firmly in place on your dashboard, which is crucial for safe driving. It also offers a 360 degrees rotation feature, allowing you to find the best angle for using GPS or making calls. Plus, it's small and unobtrusive, so it won't block your view. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't support wireless charging with all phones. But if you're using a MagSafe case, this won't be an issue. For others, the additional metal ring provided solves the problem while maintaining strong magnetism. This is perfect for you if you want a compact phone holder that's easy to install and very affordable. Skip this one if you rely heavily on wireless charging and don't have a MagSafe case. Now, if the adhesive of the Keistel bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its clamp design. Product number 3, Lamicall Wider Clamp Holder. The Lamicall 2026 Wider Clamp and Metal Hook Car Phone Holder is next on our list, priced at just $9.48. This option really caught my eye due to its thick case compatibility. If you have a bulkier phone or case, this is a game changer. What's impressive here is the innovative 4-lock protection design. It ensures your phone is stable during sharp turns or bumpy rides. Plus, the quick release button makes it super easy to take your phone in and out, which is ideal for anyone who's always on the go. The silicone material protects your phone from scratches while keeping it securely in place. Now, some reviews pointed out that the installation can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and worth the stability it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a holder that works well with thicker cases. Skip this one if you prefer a magnetic design instead of a clamp. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for a holder that won't fall off no matter what, keep watching because the next one is a serious contender. Product number 4, VICSED Ultra Stable Holder. Now let's look at the VICSED 2026 Upgrade Ultra Stable Car Phone Holder, priced at $21.98. This one genuinely surprised me with its stability and design. If you want a holder that guarantees your phone won't drop, you'll want to hear more. It's compatible with 99% of air vents and provides 360 degrees rotation for optimal viewing. Its durability is backed by over 11,000 positive reviews, proving it's built to last. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky, which might block some air vent flow. But here's the thing, if you value stability over airflow, this is probably not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a super secure holder that can handle rough roads. Skip this one if you have a very compact car and need to maximize airflow. Now, if you're after something more lightweight and compact, the next product is designed just for that. Product number 5, Lamicall MagSafe Mount. Finally, we have the Lamicall for MagSafe car mount priced at $8.98. This is one of the most compact options and caught my attention for its 20 super magnets. If you want a strong and easy-to-use magnetic holder, this could be the one. With 20 upgraded N52 magnets, this holder can support devices weighing up to 4.4 pounds, making it incredibly reliable. Plus, it's compatible with most smartphone models and cases, which is a major plus for anyone with multiple devices. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't work well with round vents. So if your car has that type of vent, you might want to consider another option. But for most standard vents, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight mount that's easy to install and adjust. Skip this one if you have round vents that won't accommodate the design. So to wrap it up, the Miracase offers strong magnetism, the Keystyle is budget-friendly, Lamicall provides excellent stability, VICSED ensures your phone won't drop, and the Lamicall MagSafe is compact and easy to use. Each has its strengths, so consider what features matter most to you before making a choice.